Hello friends, how are you all? It's very nice to be with all of you all again. What do I have? Well, here's one for you. Yes, it's all for you. Well friends, the story behind this started like this, that a friend contacted me and he said, well, you made one drink with the coconut for the people who don't like tea or who are allergic to caffeine or who don't drink tea at all. So friends, I took up the challenge and I came up with this wonderful drink which I call coconut cucumber iced tea. Now how did I make this? Come, let me show you how I made this. I brewed this tea exactly in the way I had done in that earlier video. And I combined the coconut water and the brewed tea together to come up with this fantastic drink for summers, a super coolant, a super energy charged drink, and a super digestive improver, metabolism kickstarter, loaded with vitamin C, loaded with antioxidants, and an excellent drink to have in the morning in place of tea, and a totally healthy and an organic drink. Do you remember we had made a drink using coconut water earlier also? That was without tea. In case you have missed, you can always go back and have a look at that drink also. And you can scroll down or search for it and you will get it. Please do watch that also. So this is the second version of a drink with coconut water. This is with tea. That one was without tea. Come friends, I'll show you how I made coconut cucumber iced tea. But before we start, I hope you said hello to him. Our little coconut chef is saying hello to all of us. To start with friends, are two major ingredients: the little coconut chef and his water. This water, I have taken it out from this because our second ingredient, that is tea, I have brewed it exactly in the manner I had done in the earlier video, where I had shown you the method of brewing tea according to Ayurveda, method of brewing tea according to the Chinese method, and the method of brewing tea the way Japanese do it. So I have brewed this tea exactly in the same manner. The ratio of the water is got to be same, 50-50, same quantity. These two are our major ingredients. Along with this, we are going to be taking lemon juice. I have already extracted the juice of one lemon. So one lemon for this much quantity is enough as far as my taste bud says. But if you want to add, you can add more lemon juice also. This is our third ingredient. The fourth ingredient is salt and as you know, I only use natural salt. So again, I am taking pink salt. So the salt that I am going to be taking will be just about a quarter of a teaspoon or maximum half teaspoon. That again depends upon the bitterness of this tea. And last but not the least, to add a little pep and to add a little cooling effect, so I am taking chopped cucumber. Now, so to start with, let's start. Extremely easy. All we have to do is just mix. There goes the coconut water and the brewed tea. As again, if you remember, I have already shown you how to brew tea. So you can go back to the earlier video and have a look. So this is the brewed tea. We add both of them together and for the taste, the lemon juice of, yes, 1 lemon, and a little bit by my taste, this much is more than enough. So a little bit of salt, preferably, if you go by my advice, natural salt, and all we have to do is simply mix so that the salt gets mixed. Believe me friends, it's smelling beautiful. I wish you could smell it. So there it is. The coconut tea is ready, but it's not iced as yet. Now, to ice it, what we'll do is we'll move this to the fridge, and when we serve, we'll add some ice cubes. And for example, this is your glass, this is your cup, your tea, and you can float the cucumber on that. Cool, it will give a very good effect. You can, garnish it. You can attach some cucumbers on the rim also. That creativity part, I will leave it to you. So this is as far as this is concerned, and I will serve. Good that you all remember. So for the purpose, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a little bit of cucumber and I'm going to drop these cucumbers into these slots little by little. So, and then I'm going to add the iced tea. I'm going to pour the iced tea over this and freeze them. When I freeze them, I'm going to serve them as ice cubes in a glass. So what happens is, as the glass, as the ice cubes melt, you start getting the tea. The release and the cucumbers also start getting released. Imagine the effect of the coconut cucumber iced tea. That's how I will like to do it. So there, and like last time, again this time also, I'm going to fill these slots. So there it is friends, that's done. All we have to do is move this into the freezer, sorry, and freeze them. Once frozen, we serve them. Coconut and cucumber iced tea. I'm sure you're going to love this, and you're going to serve all your friends also with it. So do let me know in the comments how you all liked it, and do, as I always say, do share it with your enemies and foes, of course, and with all your known friends and nears and dears. And till the time we meet again with another healthy and organic recipe, it's thanks and bye from Chef Raj. Cook healthy, eat healthy, and live healthy. Have a nice time, friends.